National Chemical Laboratories. Product focus. How many times has this happened to you? Wasting time on maintenance procedures before starting the actual procedures. Misplaced or broken measuring cups. Mistakes or errors diluting chemicals that only make matters in your facility worse than when you started. Sure, you can go the ready-to-use route, but that will cost you, skyrocketing your maintenance budget. There's gotta be a better way, right? National Chemical Laboratories, producers of world-class cleaning and hygiene solutions, introduces Main Squeeze, easy-to-measure and pour dispensing bottles. Main Squeeze allows you to concentrate on the cleaners you use most, offering the best-performing cleaners for your facility. In the lobby, in the office, in the break room, in the restroom, and not only are Main Squeeze concentrates easy to use, but they are easy on your budget too. Main Squeeze concentrates reduce in-use costs up to 80% versus ready-to-use products. Just 1 quart bottle of Main Squeeze glass and hard surface cleaner produces enough cleaning solution to equal 128 16-ounce ready-to-use spray bottles. Amazing! Simply and conveniently measure and dispense concentrated chemicals. Nothing to lose, nothing to hunt for, nothing to mess up.
Main Squeeze makes dilution easy. The uniquely designed container is easy to hold and reduces the potential for spills. First, loosen the cap on the dispensing chamber. Next, squeeze the storage chamber and fill the dispensing chamber. The built-in measuring chamber includes graduated numbered markings on the side of the bottle to guide you. After filling the dispensing chamber, remove the cap and pour the measured product into a mop bucket or spray bottle, mix with water, and you're ready to go. It's that quick and easy.
Don't go through this again. Diluting cleaning chemical products the old way is time-consuming and makes a mess. Squeeze your way to easy, accurate dilution with Main Squeeze. Properly diluted products control costs and are more effective. With Main Squeeze, say goodbye to over-diluting and product waste. The powerful concentrates in the easy-to-hold bottles also reduce storage space. Virtually any surface in your facility is covered with Main Squeeze. Choose from the environmentally responsible EarthSense pH neutral all-purpose cleaner, the glass and hard surface cleaner, the environmentally responsible EarthSense Degreaser, and the new Lavender 64 neutral disinfectant cleaner deodorizer.